Assalamu alaikum. Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Bilal, web development wala, passionate trainer of Rehan AI Teacher Institute. I welcome you today live session organized by Rehan AI Teacher Institute. Rehan School is a future focused learning space. It prepares young minds to think independently, create value, and confidently navigate life beyond the traditional classroom. Today's is very important topic for students and learners. Our topic is time management in daily life. I will be hosting this session, and our guest is an AI assistant, which is Chat GPT, who will share practical insights with us. So let's begin. Start with Chat GPT. Hello, Chat GPT.
Hey there, how's it going? Hope you're having a great day. Let me know if there's anything specific on your mind or if you just want to chat.
Okay. Today I want to talk about to be how to be manage our time in daily life.
Absolutely, that's a great topic. There are so many angles we can dive into from setting priorities to dealing with distractions. Let me know if there's a specific aspect you're curious about, and we'll dig right in.
I want to talk about what is exactly is time management in simple words.
And Italy, in simple terms, time management is basically about organizing and planning how you divide your time among different activities. It's all about making sure you get important tasks done efficiently and effectively so you can reduce stress and have more
Okay.
free time.
So can you explain why is time management especially important for students today?
Absolutely. For students, time management is super crucial because they juggle so many responsibilities studying, extracurricular activities, social life, and sometimes part time work. Good time management helps them stay on top of their academics, reduce stress, and maintain a healthy balance, which ultimately leads to better performance and well
Okay.
being.
Uh, so my next question is, many people say I don't have enough time. Is the real problem a lack of time or lack of planning?
That's a great question. Usually, the real issue isn't that there's not enough time, but rather that there's a lack of planning. Everyone has the same 24 hours in a day, but how we use those hours makes all the difference. With proper planning and prioritization, you can make the most out of the time you have.
Okay. So what should be the first step to improve the time management? Explain it.
The very first step is to get a clear picture of how you're currently spending your time. That means tracking your daily activities for a little while to spot where your time might be slipping away. Once you identify those time wasting habits, it's much easier to make adjustments and improve your time management.
Okay, thank you so much. And can you suggest a simple daily routine for a student?
Of course, a simple daily routine could start with waking up at a consistent time, having a morning routine that energizes you, then dedicating focused study blocks during your peak concentration times. Make sure to include short breaks to recharge, and then wrap up the day with some relax and reflection. Consistency is key, and
Okay,
it's all
okay.
about balance.
Can you suggest uh, how can a student control excessive mobile phone and social media usage?
Definitely. One good approach is to set clear boundaries, like designating specific times for phone use and keeping the phone away during study sessions. Turning off non essential notifications and using apps that limit screen time can also help. It's all about making the phone a tool rather than a distraction.
Okay. So my first next question is procrastination is a common problem. How can students overcome it?
Great question. One effective way is to break tasks into smaller, more manageable steps, which makes them feel less overwhelming and easier to start. Creating a simple to do list and setting short deadlines can also help build momentum. And of course, rewarding yourself for completing tasks can keep motivation up.
Okay, that's great. Can you explain 2 minutes in daily time management, 2 minute planning? What is it?
Absolutely. The 2 minute rule is pretty straightforward. If you have a task that can be done in 2 minutes or less, you do it immediately. It's a simple way to avoid procrastination and keep things from piling up. It helps you tackle small tasks right away and keeps your to do list from getting
Really, that's
overwhelming.
amazing. Is multitasking helpful for the time management?
Great question. Generally, multitasking tends to reduce focus and productivity because your brain is switching between tasks. Usually, it's more effective to focus on one task at a time and complete it before moving on. That way, you get better results and save time in the long
Okay,
run.
that's pretty. So my next question is, what role does goal setting play in time management?
Goal setting is absolutely crucial because it gives you direction and purpose. When you have clear goals, it's much easier to prioritize tasks and make sure you're focusing on what really matters. Goals help you avoid wasting time on less important tasks and keep you motivated along the way.
Okay, that's great. What role does a goal setting play in time management? Please again explain it with clear boundaries.
Of course, in essence, goal setting shapes how you manage your time by giving you a clear target. When you have well defined goals, you can prioritize tasks that move you closer to those goals and avoid getting sidetracked by less important things. Essentially, it sets the boundaries for how you allocate your time, making your time management much more effective and purposeful.
Okay, so let me explain how much task at a time or how much goals at a time man should have.
That's a great coin. Generally, it's best to focus on one or a few key goals at a time. This way, you can give each goal the attention it needs and avoid feeling overwhelmed. It's all about quality over quantity. So, pick goals that are truly meaningful and manageable, and you'll see better progress and less stress.
Okay, so let me explain which goal we should first priority, and how we should uh, use it. Priority time management.
Absolutely. When it comes to prioritizing goals, it helps to think about their impact and urgency. Start with goals that align closely with your long term vision and have the most significant impact on your life or studies. Then consider the urgency. Focus on goals that need immediate attention or will unlock other opportunities. By balancing impact and urgency, you can make the most effective use of your time and energy.
Okay. As I am a learner of Rehan AI Teacher Institute, I'm also a student of BS Computer Science at Virtual University, and I am also a teacher, and I have some other works to do in my daily routine. So how I can manage my time? Kindly give me some tips for me to help in time management.
Got it. Juggling all those roles definitely requires some solid time management. A few tips could include creating a detailed weekly schedule that blocks out specific time slots for studying, teaching, and other tasks. Prioritizing your most important tasks each day can also help. And don't forget to build in breaks to recharge. You can also try using productivity tools or apps to keep track of tasks and deadlines. And of course, remember to be flexible and adjust as needed.
Okay. So explain how deadline is most useful in time management.
Absolutely. Deadlines are super helpful because they create a sense of urgency and help you stay focused and motivated. They also encourage you to prioritize tasks effectively and manage your time more efficiently. Plus, having deadlines helps you track progress and measure productivity. So you're less likely to procrastinate. Overall, they keep you on track and help you achieve your goals more consistently.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much. Your tips are very useful and very helpful for me. Inshallah, I will follow all these tips. Thank you so much.
You're so welcome. I'm really glad you found them helpful. Best of luck with everything. And if you ever need more tips or just want to chat, I'm here for you. Good luck and take care.